Hey guys, it's Metro, and before you purchase from the Nomadik, watch this video. So my experience with Nomadik was nothing of a great experience whatsoever. In short, it was the 17th of November when I purchased my subscription box. I only ordered 1 month, but the devil's in the details. Here's how their plan works. If you sign up for 1 month, 3 months, or 6 months, it automatically enrolls you for the following month, especially if you don't cancel by the deadline that's on their site. Second, when I ordered from them, I was supposed to get some discount code, either free shipping or 10% off or something of that nature. But when I went to apply the discount code, it did not work. So the transaction went through, reached out to customer service, said, hey, this didn't happen. Can you apply the discount? They said, sure, we can apply this discount to the next month. We can't apply discounts to your existing order. I was like, okay, so when am I gonna get this box? They said, well, since you ordered on the 17th, your order is gonna go out the following month. And I was like, wait a minute, I just want 1 box. Can it go out this month? They're like, no. You have to order before the 13th, otherwise it'll go out the following month. So, ordered on November 17th, did not get it till December 26th. I was completely upset. Now, let's take a couple things into consideration. Do you actually need this box? Probably not. You know why? Because most of the items in this box are not for advanced hikers. They're for beginners. And even with that being said, most of this stuff is knickknacks. You don't need the stuff that's in this box. In fact, my advice to you is to do the research on what you might need in your pack, trying to keep your weight as low as possible, especially if you're doing miles. Buy once, cry once. Do not buy this box because it's a bunch of knickknack stuff that, you get a small discount, but is it worth it? I don't think so. So between the customer service being lackluster and the fact that I couldn't get my discount and I didn't get the package for over a month, that's ridiculous. Now here's where it gets even better. They sent me emails every day on the same product that I had purchased from them, which infuriated me. And I emailed them multiple times saying, hey, can you get this box to me sooner? I'm still getting these emails from you guys about this product. Can you just go ahead and ship it to me as outlined on your site? Denied advanced shipping because I had canceled my subscription. So here's my advice. Buyer beware. Buy once, cry once. Do not buy from the Nomadik. It's not worth it. So if you found any value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and send me your comments as I do respond. As always, thanks for watching, but until next time, let's keep moving.